Hey everyone, it's Indi Ezee here, and I'm going to show you how to download your own coloring page. So the first thing we're going to do is go to Google, and then you're going to go up to the top of the URL point, and we're going to type in indiezee.sales.com. We're going to wait for it to load up. Okay, and when it does, we're gonna go through, pick out our favorite one, anyone. But right now, what I'm gonna click on is Precious Titmouse, just because it's one of my favorites. And we're gonna scroll down, and we're gonna go all the way down to the page where it says "Buy it now." Alright, so here what we have is a checkbox, and what it's asking you for is your first and your last name. Just type that in. It's very easy, very simple steps here. It's nothing too hard. And after you do that, click continue. It's gonna continue to check out. It's gonna ask you for your address, you know, where you live, such and such, and your zip code, city, all that. You know, it's just to make sure you are who you say you are. And after you're done with that, just click continue, and then it's the last box that you should deal with, and it's going to be the card information. It's going to ask for your card information. So just fill that out and check your email, and there should be a link. And I suggest you only buy these guys if you have a printer at home